In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SoundCloud to Discord. Now, before we jump in, there's one important thing to know. Discord doesn't currently offer a direct SoundCloud account link the way it does for services like Spotify, so you won't find SoundCloud under connections in your Discord settings. But the good news is you can still share and play SoundCloud music in Discord quickly and reliably, and I'll show you the simplest official method. Start by opening SoundCloud either in your browser or the mobile app. Find the track or playlist you want to share. This could be a single song, a full album style playlist, or even your own upload, as long as it's publicly accessible. Look for the share option. On desktop, it's usually beneath the waveform. On mobile, it's in the three-dot menu. Tap or click share, then choose copy link. SoundCloud will place a clean URL on your clipboard that points directly to that track or playlist. Head over to Discord and open the channel or direct message where you want to post the music. Paste the link straight into the message box. You can add a caption if you like, then send it. Discord will automatically generate a rich preview, and in most cases, you'll see a clickable player right inside the chat. That means people can press play and listen without leaving Discord, which keeps the conversation moving while the music plays. If the preview doesn't appear, give it a second. Discord may need a moment to fetch the embed, still not showing. Make sure the track or playlist is public on SoundCloud. Private or unlisted links won't embed for others. Also, check your Discord settings under text and images and ensure link previews are enabled. In servers, moderators can control whether links embed, so if previews are missing across the board, an admin may need to allow the embed links permission for that channel. A couple of quick tips to make sharing smoother. If you're on mobile, copy link from the share sheet and paste it as is. Don't shorten or modify the URL because that can break the preview. If you want to share a playlist, copy the playlist link, not an individual track from inside it, so everyone sees the correct cue. And when you're posting in a busy channel, consider adding a short note like click to play to let people know there's an embedded player ready to go. That's all there is to it. Even without a direct account connection, sharing SoundCloud in Discord is fast, clean, and works great for channels, groups, and DMs.